Hello, studio students. How are you? It's Friday of week 4, so I have released the content for week 5, and I just want to give you a quick video overview of what we're up to. So, as you know, this week you are finishing up your mini writing workshop here in studio for the summary portion of your summary and response essay. So, your feedback to one another, your helpful, kind, encouraging feedback is due by 11:59 p.m. tonight, Friday. And then you want to start looking at that advice and revising your essay and adding the response components, the critique of the article that you read. Was this person persuasive? How did they persuade the readers? Where did they miss the mark? What needed to happen instead in this article? So that's what's going to happen next, because in week 5 in English 121, we'll have our full writing workshop where you'll join your 121 classmates with a full draft of your summary and response essay. And then to go along with that in studio, we're going to do another digital portfolio. So let's pop over to content and then assignment guidelines to look at the digital portfolio number 2 summary response essay. So you will see that it has the deadlines. You need to have your first screencast link to me by Wednesday, June 29th. I will respond by Friday, and actually my plan is to respond on Thursday. So you should have these by Thursday night. And then sometime before the end of the weekend and before Monday, July 4th, you want to send me your final screencast link, which is step 3. Sorry. So you guys did a great job with that last time. I'm really looking forward to seeing your faces again and hearing what you have done and what questions you have and how I can be helpful to you. So step 1's questions are right here in the middle of the assignment. Show me your summary paragraphs. What was tough? Why? How can I help? Step 2, show me your response paragraphs. What was tough? Why? How can I help? And then any other moments in this draft where you struggled, what have you done about it? How can I help you? I will answer those questions and then you will complete step 3 here. So that's what we're doing the second half of the week, and that will match up with your writing workshop in English 121. I also, though, want to draw your attention to the other things we are doing this week. So if you go to week 5 in content and check out our checklist and overview, the first thing it says here is to print the What Works article. There's a link to that article right here. It's also located in week 5's materials and assignments section. And this article will forever change how you study. That's my promise to you. It definitely has changed the way I study, so I hope that you enjoy it. So print it out first, but don't start reading it until you launch the Reading Reflection on What Works Learning Activity Quiz, because I want to walk you through the pre-reading process, and I want to give you some space and time to do the kinds of pre-reading activities that I think will be useful. So don't read the article before you start the quiz. Just have a copy of it handy and plan to spend a lot of time in the quiz, because at certain points throughout the quiz, you'll be asked to stop and actually read and annotate the article. And remember, you can always save your answers to a quiz and back out of a quiz and come back to it later before you submit it to me. So we'll be doing that, and then finally we'll be jumping into a discussion board where you get to talk about the ideas from this article, because I think it's so interesting. You need to post your primary response by Tuesday at midnight, and you need to respond by Wednesday, because I want to kind of clear you up for the rest of the week to be doing screencasts. And that really is what we're up to for week 5. So congratulations for making it halfway through the semester. It is hard to believe that we are already at the tipping point, and that after week 5, it's all downhill from there. So you guys are doing great. I can't wait to see what you're up to in essay number 2 and to answer your questions and share my encouragement and feedback with you. So have a great weekend. Take good care, and I'll talk to you soon.